That's all got to come off. All right. Hey guys and gals, we got a really cool video for you here. Make sure you watch the entire video. We got some bonus footage coming up at the end. You're going to love that. But this method that we're going to use is great for removing flaking rust, flaking paint, so that you can get to it to paint it. Okay, a lot of times you try to sand down rough areas, like the front bumper is all treaded steel, and it's tough to sand that kind of stuff. So you're going to love this, so make sure you watch it fully through so you can figure out what we're doing, which we try to keep it simple for you. Let's get cracking, racking, and stacking. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools will be located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars and Trucks. LOL. Cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer, and simple ways. Today we're here on removing some crusty rusty, doing it it's not really the lazy man's way, but it's a way that when you're dealing with a vehicle that has this much rust on it here and there in tight areas, this is the only way to really do it. It works great on car frames and that kind of thing where you can't get to it real easy. So I'm going to show you a slick way to do this, and I think you're going to love it. Now, there's going to be some bonus material after this video here, in the same video, of course. So make sure you watch the entire video, and make sure you subscribe and click the notifications button so that you get all the videos to this awesome refurbing to make cash video series on Boomzilla. As you can see by the upper boom up there, it's nasty looking, and that's an eyesore. What we're trying to do right now is attack the eyesores so that we can stand looking at it. Let's get cracking on this, but again, there's going to be some bonus footage. Now, what we're talking about with this video here, we have to straighten this bumper out. It's the first part people see usually from the front, and this is all dented in. So we're going to deal with that in another video, and you'll see how we deal with pulling that heavy gauge steel out. The flaking, I'm going to share with you how to deal with that instead of trying to do it individually with sandpaper and all that. And then the flaking we have here, that's all got to come off. All right, show you a quick and easy way to do it. And of course, we haven't buffed out the hood yet, but look how this is still shining up there. Look at that spot we did. Look at the sun. Florida sun right there for you folks. If you're freezing where you're at, there's a little Florida sunshine right in that buff spot. And here's another spot up here that we did. So we're coming along on this. We're going to strip the old 304 off the front of that. We could call it 303 because we love that product. But I think we're going to name this, for all the truckers out there that watch our channel, I think we're going to name it Boomzilla 309, kind of like Phantom 309, but Boomzilla 309. All right, we're going to be using the yellow nozzle on this power washer. You use the red one, I tell you, it'd be way too powerful, especially for this power washer that we're using. This thing will take your index finger off in one swipe, and it's crazy. Let me show you what I mean about losing your index finger. All right, you can see how nice a job that did. It took the paint right off. We got a lot more to do yet, but it's fast. And when you're dealing with treaded steel like this, or under your frame, this will the fastest way to do it. Look at it did to this right here. Took it right off in seconds. All this. Stripped it right down. Now we'll use our Loctite on it and then we'll paint it. We'll be good to go. A little more removal and it's ready for paint. Then we'll deal with these dents in an up and coming video. But here's our bonus footage. Oh, and we got another eyesore that you see every time you get in the truck, and that's these steps. Look at the paint just peeling off. All right, up and coming video, how to repair plastic. We are going to look for a used one at a salvage yard because this truck is old enough that there should be a replacement cover for this. If not, then we'll repair it and make it look as close to that as possible. But I just don't like these bolts sticking through. We could use rivets or that, but that's up and coming video. We did find the complete manual set underneath the seat. And that's always fun when you buy a used vehicle because you get bonus stuff. Look at this. Jackpot. Caterpillar. Tons of manuals. Bonus information in there. I don't even know what that is. Georgia Power High Ranger. All-Tech. This is a bonus when you can get this kind of information. Now, the other part of this video is the bad part of this truck when you get in it. It is just filthy. Look at this. That dash, and then up there on that dash, it's just nasty. We'll go over that side so I can show you how bad it truly is. But it's time for a good cleaning and some paint. And we love paint and plastic because when we get done with it, it's permanent. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Look how nasty that is. We get done with this, you're going to love it. I'm telling you, you can do this on your car or truck. And how to get into these really tight areas, especially around these gauges and stuff, where it's all nasty in there. Inside here, in the turn signal markers. But it needs a good cleaning, big time. And the floor, look at this. It's just nasty. Wait till you see it when it's done. You're going to pick up a lot of tips with this series, my friends. Oh, we did find a bag of, looks like peanut M&Ms. And they've been there a while, but they could be edible. Like a bonus. Some are a little rotted and moldy, but you never know.